family, welcome back to another video. So let me show you. Okay, so are you getting ready for, I'm gonna try to make sure this video goes up before Thanksgiving. So are you getting prepared for Thanksgiving? Are you hosting Thanksgiving? Are you just having something small? Let me know down in the comments. Are you hosting? Is your house the spot? Are you going to someone else's house? Like, let me know. So I went to Home Goods and I grabbed a few things to add to my arsenal to help me be the host to do the most, okay? So let me just share with y'all because I know y'all care. Even if you don't care, just keep on watching. And most of this stuff really had no real purpose, like for real, but it kind of does. So look it. I saw, this is so cute to me. Look at this. Now it says Merlot. It's a decanter. But I could turn it around because the other side has nothing. And it came in this little wooden crate, but you just slide this out, right? And that's how you take this out. You just scoosh this on out. So it just looked like that. And I think this will be cute on the new bar. So cute. With, I don't know, something in it. Then I picked up, because I'm going to be doing the cakes. Now I went looking for, I was going to buy 3 of the wooden ones that I already had with the glass top on them. No cake stands were to be found in my Home Goods. Like, everybody's thinking the same. People probably got them for Thanksgiving, as well as probably for Christmas. So I found these, and it's just a pale pink pedestal. It doesn't have a top on it, unfortunately. So hopefully the cake get ate up and it's no leftovers. So I got 2 of them to put, you know, on the buffet, the dessert buffet. And they'll just look like that. And they stand pretty high, by the way, too. So got those. Cake stand is what it is. Cute. I'll swing you this way a little bit so you can see the stuff. Then I got, what is this? Oh, I'm about to make me one of these right now. I got a Bloody Mary cocktail mix. Ooh, I love a good Bloody Mary. I'm gonna make this now. But I got that though. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good. I already know. I grabbed some more wine glasses because if I didn't tell y'all, I'm gonna be hosting a sip and paint and a wine tasting here at the house. So I wanted to add to my wine collection. And I didn't really want the ones from the Dollar Tree. I wanted them to be a little bit fancy. So they look like this. Oh, that's perfect. Nice round goblet area. Okay. So I got those. So you get 6 of these. And I can just add them to my... So I have a whole cabinet now designated for just wine glasses. Okay. Now, this is just a white utensil holder. And it actually says utensils on it right there. Breakable. Because right now I'm using an actual vase. A blinged out vase that you guys have seen a million times. And you can't really see the spoons and the stuff that's in it because it's so tall. So I wanted just a plain, simple white utensil holder to add in there when we're done with the kitchen. 2 of these cake pans to bake my 2-layer cake, because you know I think I'm a whole baker and everything. And these are spring foam cake pans. And they're in like a pale pink, a light pink, kind of like this. Almost in the same family as this pink color. I like those though. It would be, even if they were plastic, these would have been nice with a top on them. Even if it was a plastic dome, that would have been so cute. I hate that they didn't have, you know, cake pan options. But anyway, this is the Masterclass brand Premium Cakeware. And it just has a little spring release, I guess. The little thing like that. Okay, well, clearly I need to up my baking game because I didn't know that was going to happen. Okay. Great. Just great. All right, so that's that. I grabbed this soap and lotion dispenser for the guest bathroom downstairs to just plop in there. And it's in this, it's not even holiday, it's just lavender. Lavender hand soap, lavender lotion, just to put in there nice and clean and fresh. Okay. And that's that. Look at this. Girl, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, honey. Nothing. I got me a whole apron. This is so cute. I'm about to start collecting aprons like a crazy person. And it's just stripe it with, have yourself a, what? Have yourself a sandy little Christmas. So it has like little beach stuff on there, seashells and stuff like that. But it's cute. I don't care what they say. I'm just going to start collecting aprons because I'm going to be a whole cook and a whole baker. I'm getting prepared to be real great in the new kitchen. I'm going to be real great in there, okay? Doing the most, even if I just have this on and Ron is cooking. It don't even matter. I'm her now. I'm her, okay? So I got this apron. I'm going to look so busy. Come Thanksgiving, they're going to be like, you know what? We can't even talk to Sharon because, honey, she's in her element. I grabbed some hand towels. Look, let me see why I got these. Had they had more, I would have probably bought every single one off the shelf. Look at him. He looks like me. Where have you seen this? And then this side, so this side is like the red color. And this side is grays, but he looks like me. I had to do it. I would have gotten every single one because he looked just like I do. So I got those. And then I got just some plain gray ones to go in the guest bathroom. 2 of those to go in the guest bathroom downstairs. I grabbed, let's see, what is this? Oh, I got some more shot glasses because it's going to be a whole thing popping off here Thanksgiving. A whole thing. And I already had this kind before, but they are so cute. They look like little miniature cognac glasses. So you get 6 of these. 6 of those. Add those to our collection. For people who want to take shots. Oh, this ain't nothing here. But I needed to get some measuring cups. So I got 2 measuring cups, just plain Pyrex measuring cups. 2 of those. Ron wanted me to get like 5. I'm like, Ron, you know what? You always got to be so extra, sir. So extra. Another pack of wooden spoons for the new utility thing. I ordered some gold metal spoons set from Amazon. So that's coming. Some gold ones. Oh, that's so nice. Nice and neat. And then I got, because here's what I'm thinking. Even for Christmas, even, especially during the Thanksgiving week, because we're going to have family here coming in on Tuesday, actually. Coming in on Tuesday, stay until Sunday. So I figured, not only then, but mainly for then, after then, and then definitely for Christmas, my cocoa bar, my coffee bar. I want to up my game on that. So I got these chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate spoons. Be so cute, and they're individually wrapped, which is why I was happy they worked, so I could put them out. And then I got some peppermint spoons. It's gonna be so cute on the cocoa bar. All in the new kitchen. Everything is about the new kitchen, honey. I got some Starbucks hot chocolate to put in a container of some sort. I got some honey roasted peanuts because I want to do a charcuterie board. Sharon, is it charcuterie or charcuterie? Charcuterie. Right? That board. I want to put these on the board, okay? My last bag, I didn't do no damage. Mom was so proud of me. He thought I was going to go in there and cut a whole food. And I probably would have, but they didn't have what I wanted. So I got me some, which one is this? Boysenberry. I got some boysenberry jam for the charcuterie board to eat with some brie cheese, something sweet to go with the brie. And then I got my normal bruschetta to put on the charcuterie board. I got me some olives, but these are not, they don't have the pimento in these. I certainly hope they are pitted, because it don't even say that. I don't want nobody to break their teeth, honey. I got a feeling they ain't pitted, y'all. I'll pre-sample, but I love a good olive. Anyway, I got these ones. They didn't have the other ones that I like from there. I would just always grab. I've never went wrong just grabbing this type of stuff, even if it's never the same brand. I've never went wrong. It's just always a different taste, and I love it. So, but I hate that these don't have pimento in them. But anyway, that's fine. So I have those for the charcuterie board. And last but definitely not least, I have some little baby pickles for the charcuterie board also. And that is all I got. My intention was to find those cake stands, some wooden cake stands with the tops. But I had no luck, so I ended up getting the pink ones, which is fine. I mean, it's fine. I love them. They're cute, super girly. And they're so light, they'll go with anything, for real. Now let me show y'all. Okay, so I needed this little stuff right here. So let me show y'all a DIY I'm working on. Well, I've worked on, I'm done with it. I just probably need to put one more coat of paint on it. It'll be ready to go for the holidays. And I don't know if I'll be able to show you in this video, because I want to kind of get this video out before Thanksgiving. Maybe I will. But I kind of want to show you, and myself as well, my vision for how I want to lay the food out. Now that I have our menu of what we're having. I want to pull out the dishes that food or item is going to be in, and kind of do a dry run so I can kind of lay it out how it's going to look on Thanksgiving. So I can kind of see my own flow. You know what I mean? Before people start coming in and wanting to know what goes where and stuff like that, I want to already have it mapped out. So I will definitely try to put it in this video. But let me show you the DIY. And then hopefully we'll have the kitchen cleaned back up, because we just finished putting a second coat of white paint and the gray paint on the doors. My portion in the kitchen is done. And I just finished helping Ron with the actual doors. So now we can just kind of tidy up the kitchen, because tomorrow the doors will be going on and the hardware, yay. So yeah, I'm gonna just maybe hold off one more day in this video to put my dry run together, if that makes sense. That way you can kind of see, plus it'll help me to see my inventory for my entertainment pieces. So let me show you the DIY. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick DIY for Christmas and Thanksgiving. And, oh, I don't have enough. Let me see, 1, 2, okay, I think I do. So these are the legs that I cut off of the sofa table I showed you a couple videos ago. These was the legs, and I said in that video I was going to keep these for a DIY. And I'm almost certain that I've done this DIY before here on this channel. It may have been some years ago. But I'm going to just create a riser for food and stuff. So I had Ron to cut me a piece of plywood that we had left over from one of our mini projects. And it's just a nice wide piece. And I just wanted it cut to the length and width of the legs, I mean. So I'm gonna just, real simple, I'm gonna just put these legs right on here, because they already still had the brackets for the screws from the existing piece. So it's gonna be real simple. Now if you wanted to use some risers for Thanksgiving or Christmas, you could like go to Lowe's. They have legs, unfinished legs in all different sizes at Lowe's. And I'm gonna use the screws that actually came out of the same piece when it was on the other one to just reattach it here. I just want it end to end, like so. So you could go to Lowe's and get you some legs, or if you have legs laying around from a project, use those legs as well. See, I'm not even gonna fast forward. That's how simple this is. I'll attach them on here. And if you need to take it down, it'll be easy to take down and store away. But we got room in the garage for all my stuff. So when we're done, I can just sit it out there and use it for any time I want to entertain. All right. There's nothing like elevating your food, right, for Thanksgiving. So let's give it a turn over. I'll show you how it looks. I have it sitting right here on the bar, like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's nice and long. I'm going to get the tape measure and I'll tell you how long it is. But look at that. Cute, right? So now I'm just going to paint it white. And this is probably where I'm going to have it sitting, right here where it is, to add some height to the bar area, the island area, for when I'm, you know, entertaining for Christmas, Thanksgiving, any other thing we host. And it's just as sturdy, because it's a solid piece of wood. It's not going to move. So let me paint it white. Probably way more than I need. Couple coats of this to cover up the plywood.